Hey, what's up, guys? Back at it again to obviously no good. I've already spent money on the car after a roadkill. The shifter I thought was gonna end up helping. Wasn't really helping, I was grinding gears. The reason why is the thing is actually quite heavy for what it is. And every time I would try to do that 2 to 3 shift, I would be grinding it. So I'm gonna replace it with something a little more lighter. Hopefully this good old Hurst Shifter is gonna help out. But yeah, basically all today is gonna be is changing out the quick shifter. In case anyone ever had questions on how to replace it on a 3rd gen Camaro, you're gonna basically see it right now. What this is it's a hard drive, I guess pistol grip shifter from Hurst. I don't think they make these anymore, but how I ended up getting it was I found a place online called Hurst Shifter, and they still make some decent short throws for these Camaros. Like typically when you look for a shifter on this car, you don't really get a particular one that's for a Camaro. They're usually Mustang T5s, and I don't know the specifics, but I'm pretty sure they're different. This one in particular served its purpose, I would say, but like, it's just too heavy. The grip on its own is probably got a good enough weight on it. All you really need to do for this job is just take out the little cover. Usually if you're just doing the shifter, if you need to do the whole actual thing down to the base, you have to take the whole console off. But I'm probably gonna have to take it off because there's some little leaks down there that I have to address. Last time it rained, I kind of got leaked in here. Everything else seems to be fine, nice and tidy. Basically, these cars, if you don't have that rubber boot that's at the bottom sealed up all the way, let's say you go through like a puddle or something, you're definitely gonna get wet from inside. Like legit, no joke, it was a little fountain last time I drove through, and I guess I didn't put it down in all the way, which I probably should have double checked last time I had this thing off. But oh well, learn from your mistakes, right? Old shifter out. Time for a new shifter to go in. And the good thing about the shifter stick is I could change the knobs later down the road if I need to. I don't think I will have to though. Unless for whatever reason I need one with a button on it. Let's see. Just to make sure I can go through all the gears. Yep, so make your life easier. Take the knob off. Then you're just gonna slip this cover back in. On a lot of these cars you have to be careful though, because they're already starting to break. This one's already broken. I don't really care too much about it. It's just whatever for right now. I'll probably get a replacement one later. But yeah. And there it is. Oh yeah, that already feels so much better. If you're not comfortable, you're not going to concentrate on winning. You're going to concentrate on trying to drive it with how you're driving it really uncomfortably, and that, in my opinion, is very bad. Alright, so new shifter in, old shifter out. Now, as you can actually see now, this thing's not necessarily small. This thing's pretty massive. The part that was messing with it is it's really top heavy. So when I was trying to grab onto the shifter and slam the gear in, I would tend to just miss the gear and end up grinding it. Hopefully that new one's gonna end up fixing that issue. Obviously I won't know until I try it out, but yeah, can't wait to test it out, to be honest. But see you in a bit. Alright, we're gonna do a quick pull, so let's see how this shifter goes. is so much already of an improvement. I don't even feel the shifter there. Just think about like when you're running, you have like weights on your ankles and stuff like that. So that's how this feels right now. The other shifter felt like I had a ginormous weight on the shifter. This thing just, it's effortless. I don't know why I thought the other thing was going to be a good idea. I should have looked at the weight on it, to be honest. We're heading up Mount Lemon right now. I wanted to test out the new suspension and the new shifter to see how it actually handles. But yeah, this is pretty much more of a test video. We're not really doing much else on this one. No racing or anything. What's up, guys? So, honestly, we don't have a lot of stuff going on at the moment, I'll be honest. So, we're just gonna basically start doing some in-between videos for like the cars and stuff. So, basically, I'm going to be taking my car up the mountain around here, and this is Mount Lemon here in Tucson, so it's not a bad place to go up. You gotta be careful though, because there's usually a lot of cars that try and do some funny stuff up there, and you got the cops called on you. I'm just gonna coast it up there though. Just a little nice getaway from town. All right, about halfway up. We're already starting to see snow. Just kind of took a little break. It's already chilly too. I'm almost regretting not bringing a jacket, to be honest. All right, guys. It looks like that's gonna be a wrap for this one. I mean, it was a more mellow video. We usually do a lot more wild stuff. Every once in a while, it's just nice to get away from the town. Have a nice cruise up somewhere nice. And basically, this right here, honestly, you can't go wrong with escaping into nature. Yeah. All right. Catch you guys later.